Yes, my old friend, I've come to talk with you again. Because a vision softly creeping left its seats while I was sleeping. And the vision that was planted in my brain still remains within. Sound of silence, restless dreams I walk alone. Narrow streets of cobblestone, neath the halo of the street lamp, turn my collar to the cold and damp. My eyes were stabbed by the flash of a neon light with the night sound of silence. In the naked light I saw 10,000 people, maybe more. People talking without speaking, people hearing without listening, people writing songs that voices never share. No one dares destroy. Sound of silence, truth that I do not know. Silence like a cancer grows. Hear my words that I might teach you. Kiss my arms that I might reach you. My words like silent raindrops fell, caught in a wells of silence. And the people bowed and prayed to the neon god they made. And the sign flashed out its warning in the words that it was forming. The sign said the words of the prophets are written on the subway walls and halls.